How does it work? Hey guys, welcome to this video, and I know you guys have been waiting for it, but we will be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. It came in the mail. I got a couple games I just me reviewed, and just like the games,
Why'd you get that Nintendo Switch, Steven?
oh well, I asked for it, for my birthday, so we could.
So everybody make sure you say happy birthday to Steven because he turned 11 on Saturday. 11 on the 10th.
So yeah, we will be unboxing this. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. So yeah, we kind of just did this and found out we didn't need a knife right here, this little flap.
Yeah.
So I think.
Open it up.
Alright, so I think we can just. Open that.
Show them. They want to see it. Show them. They want to see the good stuff there.
And then if I open.
Wow.
This.
Hold on. Here, show them this. This is what they want to see. Cool. Look at this.
Yeah, it's the little controller thing.
Alright. Cool. Take out those. Whoa. This is what the controllers look like. I've never seen this before myself, so I'm kind of interested.
And then and then that's the screen that you can. Wait, hold on. Put this down for a second.
Okay.
Yeah, that is something that you can put on that.
So you can hook this up to a TV, and then you can play with it.
So this is the screen. So let's put these things
Okay, and then what's the...
Oh yeah, and that is the part where you can charge it and plug it into the TV.
Oh.
So if you take it out, you see this thing?
Yeah.
You can charge it and then plug it into the TV.
Okay.
And that's also how it charges if you use it in handheld mode.
Yes. Cool. Alright, and then...
Next.
What's this?
Oh,
There's
yeah.
something else.
So this, I think, is a thing. If you want to play it, you can just do this and then wrap it around your wrist. So if you're playing a game that involves moving this thing, so it doesn't go flying out of your hand.
Here's something too.
Yeah, this is also another way to use the controller.
Oh wow. Okay, cool. And then this is the same thing as that. Here's the power cord, or that cord connects to the TV. Here's the power cord.
Yeah, this is the power cord that you have to pull it into the wall in order for this to pull into the TV.
You guys drop down more if you want to be on the video.
Yeah. So.
We gotta wrap this up. She's down here.
Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, we will be right back. Hey guys, we're back. Oop.
Poppy's back.
Poppy's back. So we had to get a few things done. And he was hungry, so we might as well grab a snack. And I'm back with the games that I reviewed. One time. And then we'll play those on the Nintendo Switch. So then we're back. We have these sports, and now we will take these things out. And then this cord out. So we'll also take this screen out, which is one of the most important parts. And then this back thing here, if you put it this, you can tabletop it and just play it those two things
That's the monitor
on a table. No, this is the table. If this little thing right here, if you put it down, you can just play it without having to hold it like this. Yeah, this is the screen.
Do you attach the controllers to the screen or no?
You attach the controllers on the sides to the screen, and then if you put it on this while it's plugged in, it can show up on the TV. So then,
I think we should charge it.
Yeah, I think it's all. Well, I don't really know if it's already charged, but yeah. Here are these parts, so we will... So, you can put this in here, so we'll put this in.
Just like that?
Just like that, and then the other one can go in. Just wait. Happy, this is not food. Oops.
I get it. Charlie. Here, thank you, man. Hi, Charlie. Oh, sure.
There's this one will go on. There's alright, guys. So yeah, we had to have a little few things done. Sorry. Well.
Show them the switch. Show them the switch.
So yeah.
This is
Showed
what
you
it
guys
looks
this, and yeah, we're gonna open these games. But first, we have one more thing to take out. This one cord. The plugs. Oh, it's the HDMI, so you
Yeah.
can plug in. And then, so yeah, it can like
This goes.
that. That can go, and like those little like things that.
Oh, it caps it.
So yeah. Well, yeah, you can like put them on if you like want to play like on like TV.
Oh, this is the
and-
cradle. This is the cradle for the TV, right here.
Yeah.
So you plug this in.
Well, yeah, and then you.
Just like this.
But then, in order for it to charge, you have to plug you have to plug this into that and this into the wall.
Yeah, that's the
So,
power.
You gotta like take
Oh,
unwind
that's
this
Nintendo.
little- unwind this little thing.
It's a bread tie. There you go.
All right, so it's like a bread tie.
It's a twisty tie. Okay, guys, here we go. So here's the cradle.
So then I think
That doesn't go there.
Yeah.
This goes there. The
Yeah,
HDMI goes there.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Well, where does that plug into?
So this plugs in.
Oh, this plugs into the TV.
No. Wait. So this thing.
The USB.
This thing goes to like that, and it can like open, and then that's where the HDMI goes.
Oh, there we go. Right here, guys. This is what he wasn't showing you. Right there.
Yeah, right here is the HD. Oops, and then the HDMI goes right. Wait, flip the other way. Sorry, guys. I just need to plug.
Sorry, guys.
Just plug this right in, like. Yeah, this is the right cord.
Bada boom, bada
There.
bing. All right. AC
Now-
adapter.
The AC adapter, I think, is this.
Put that in there.
So,
All right. Why don't we can plug it in, and then we can charge this thing. Okay.
well,
Oh.
let's see if it's already charged.
Okay.
So first, before
Take it out of the
we
cradle.
hook it to the TV, we'll just try. So, yeah.
You
So
know,
let's turn it on.
Oh.
It's on.
Oh. I'll turn it right off. There it goes.
And now it says
Cool.
Nintendo Switch. So that's loud. You can turn the better.
Now, where do you put the games in?
Oh yeah, you put it in. You put them in right there. So yeah, it says all the different languages. We'll select English.
All right.
The Americas. What's that? Just accept.
Yeah.
And
Searching for networks.
your internet. We won't tell your internet. Do you know the thing?
Mm. Yeah, we'll go through this in a minute. I like this interface. Show them this. How this looks like a pretty cool like keyboard.
Yeah, and you can like. I think it's like touchscreen too. It's like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's touchscreen.
Oh wow.
So yeah.
All right, we'll do that in just a minute. All right. Well, I mean, what else do you want to show them? I mean, that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing.
Well, like the quick little like setup thing is the last quick part. You know, right?
I don't know the password right now. Let me see. Let me see if I can get it. You want to get this? You want to cut this, and then we can.
Yeah.
merge?
Okay. Guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys. So yeah, we got the games right there. We set this and then hooked it up to the TV, and then we got our controller. So yeah, we put this on, and now we will be making. So yeah, like you go back, it like. So like watch. It says that you only have a little bit of options here, but you can like make your own. So if you just so yeah, right now we will be making the face, and then the hair. Here, do you wanna hold it or do you want?
Yeah, you're good.
And then no, I think I like just that one, and then the color. I think it's that one. And the eyes, I think I like the eyes. I think I like the eyes the same, and then the mouth, like that. Then maybe the whole body size. Well, the tallness is probably like that or something, and then yeah. So then yeah. Then I heard that you could do like like all these like types of like things like sunglasses and stuff.
Cool.
Those look like cop sunglasses.
Yeah, they do.
I think I'll just have the regular. I think I'll wear sunglasses. Then and then we'll make you later on.
Oh, great.
Alright, so there. I think
Cool.
that's.
Play. That's it.
So then, change facial expression. Yeah, I don't want to change that, but pose.
This is like emoji.
Yeah. Wait, that one. Yeah, I think I like. Okay, I think I'll just do the punching one,
Cool.
and then and then the background. You can change the color. I think I'll do something other than blue, so it's not like the same thing. I think I'll do maybe like green. Wait, yeah, like green. Yeah, that's the user. I don't think we have that, so
Later.
later.
Skip.
What is it?
That's the online. We're not playing online.
Let's just do next. Okay, skip. Home.
Cool, we just need to insert a game card.
Yeah.
Here.
So now.
Here, which one do you want to play? Minecraft or Super Mario Maker? These are the two games we have.
Yeah, let's try the. Let's put this in really quick. Alright guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. We got it, yeah, hooked to the TV, and then we got it to, we put the Minecraft in, and then, so yeah, we'll play the games another time, on camera. So we can sometime have more content. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Next month, we'll do, we're going to Florida. So we'll do a review of going there. So, over now.
Over and out, guys.